So my plan today is to get this library table, get it looking a little more, I don't know if it's going to be more summery, but it's going to be a little more day-to-day. Take away all of the spring that I have. You know, there's pieces missing because I decorated in different places with that. Take away the Mother's Day balloon because I found this magnificent piece of thrifted treasure. I've been so excited to find this. I have been keeping my eye out for one of these typewriters or something similar to it for quite a while, and I gotta tell you, I saw this at the thrift store. It was $20 and I snagged it up because they have been running for a lot more. The ones I've been seeing, I just haven't been wanting to pay the prices that I've seen them for. And so when I saw this, I had to have it. So I had my husband put it up on this bar stool because it is very heavy and I didn't want to pick it up from the floor, so that I can just kind of slide it onto this table once I get it cleared off. But I'm excited to see what my theme here is going to be. I have the old library table. I'm gonna put this typewriter on there and just see what I can do for something fun to change things up a little bit. So let's get this started. So I have this library table all cleaned off. I thought about changing out my cat gallery wall pictures, but I'm gonna let that go for now and focus on the library table. Look at this beautiful table runner. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm not sure if I'm gonna let it here. I'm gonna let it here for now, but I may change that out. I'm not sure. But I'm getting ready to move this onto the table and see what I can do to decorate this. That thing is so insanely heavy, but I really, really like it. Let me give you a closer look. I love the way it looks with this old wood. Yeah, I'm liking it. I'm liking it a lot.